All right, it's Friday, House Hunters, and you know what that means. It's Pick 3 day where I dive into the MLS, looking for hidden gems listed for sale around town, and one of these could be your new address, so you're not going to want to miss these. Going to be showing you my Pick 3 for this first Friday in August, right now. All right, here we go. For my first pick this week is this massive 5-bedroom, 4 full baths, 2 half baths, brick transitional located at 9805 Farmstead Drive in Sims Township. The first thing you'll notice as you walk right in through the front door is the abundance of natural light, high ceilings, beautiful wood floors, stainless steel appliances in the gourmet kitchen that also has a planning desk and an island so you can sort out all of your perfect meals. Large primary bedroom with tray ceiling, jetted tub in the ensuite with double vanity. Now down in the finished lower level, you can enjoy movie night in your very own theater room that has a wet bar. Huge 4-car garage with plenty of storage space. Out back, you enjoy cookouts with the family or friends on a large deck overlooking a flat private backyard. Brand new roof and HVAC. This home is located in the Loveland School District. Brian Buddy from the Star One Realtors Montgomery office has this home listed for $839,900. All right, on to my second pick this week is one of our new listings that just went live yesterday, located at 635 Arlington Drive in Union Township. Now, you can check this one out for yourself at our open house that's scheduled this Sunday from noon to 2. This charming brick ranch is perfect for first-time home buyers or folks just looking for comfort and simplicity with one-floor living. Tons of natural light, has attached garage with oversized driveway, spacious kitchen with beautiful white cabinets, adjoining dining room with sliding door heading right out to the patio that's perfect for entertaining guests or just chilling out while enjoying the backyard. Has a new HVAC, water heater, and windows in this meticulously maintained move-in ready home that's located in the West Claremont Local School District. Michelle and I have this home listed for $185,000. Okay, closing out my pick 3 this week is this stunning colonial located at 7305 North Pisgah Drive in Westchester. As you walk right in, you'll see the beautiful laminate and wood flooring throughout. Home has 9-foot ceilings, updated kitchen with granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, and a large pantry. You can hang out in the cozy family room while enjoying a cup of coffee by the fireplace. Also has a super cool custom built-in organizer for like your coats, shoes, kids' backpacks, stuff like that. And you're surely going to spend some time out back in the screened-in deck that overlooks the park-like setting. This home is very private, sitting on just over 1 acre with 4 garage spaces. Had a new water heater last year, and the dishwasher was just replaced this year. Linda Linton from the Fairfield Star One Realtors office has this home located in the Lakota School District, listed for $409,900. All right, that's my pick 3 for this week. Which home was your favorite? Be sure you let me know down there in the comments. And if you have any questions about any of these properties or just general questions about the home buying process, be sure that you reach out to me. That should be my information that's popping up down there on the screen. You can give me a call, you can shoot me a text, send me an email. Before you go though, subscribe, like, and follow so you never miss a pick 3. So until my next video, have a great weekend, and I'll catch you later.